How to fix iPhone keeps connecting we're near each other. Let's get started. This connecting message usually appears because of nearby showing features like airdrop or handoff, which can automatically detect other iPhones nearby. Let's go through a few simple steps to fix it. Start by turning off handoff, which can prevent your iPhone from constantly detecting nearby Apple devices. Launch your settings, go to General, click on the option of AirPlay and Continuity. Now disable for the option of handoff. Then launch your control center. Changing your airdrop settings can also reduce these constant connecting pop-ups. You can set it to receiving off. If you wanna enable it, you can set it to contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. But when you don't need it, you can set it to receiving off. Bluetooth is often used for device detection. Try turning it off temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Lastly, restart both devices. Restarting can refresh your iPhone's connectivity settings and clear minor glitches. Go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option of General, then you'll find the option of Shutdown at the bottom. Click on that. You'll get the slider icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. And that's it. With these steps, you should stop seeing the connecting message when your iPhone is nearby others. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.